for joining Tech Podcast with Kant. And before getting into our topic, we can get into an introduction from your side. So your background and all that, and then we can get into the actual topic. Yeah.
Yep. All right. Thanks, Kanta, and happy to hear you back soon. And hello, everybody. I am Shubham Khandelwal, who's a mechanical engineer turned into a data scientist. And I graduated from PES Institute of Technology in 2017. And from there onwards, I got in touch with the people of a startup back then, and called as the Math Company. It is a full-grown company now. And in that particular company, I got an exposure towards solution development for business enterprises using data and the data science behind it. So that made me inquisitive to learn more about data science and its capabilities to improve businesses. That is something which I learned there and made me inquisitive to be a consultant in business domains.
Wow.
So over a
Mm-hmm.
period of about 4.5 years into the field, I worked with the stakeholders from CPG, retail, and airlines industries. And currently, I am in a role of providing operational excellence initiatives to the employee services team in Amazon. And yes, over
Okay.
this particular experience, I have been into many tech solutions which involve machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing models across industries and help them take key decisions using them. So yeah, that's the brief intro of
Wow.
me, Kant. Yeah.
Oh my God, you are into means like good roles and responsibilities. You are in those companies, Shubham. And before getting into the topic, so the topic is more like now everyone are getting into data science, like irrespective of their background. Like now in the olden times, it's easy to get into mechanical, from mechanical to data science and all that. And there are very good people, and very few people used to learn it, and even that few people are very good at talent. But now I think everyone are getting into it because of MCA in data science and machine learning, and MBA in data science and machine learning, and everyone are going even to abroad for data analytics. So it's been like a pretty rat race, I feel that. So what are the key points you share it to the beginners who are getting into data science or machine learning? That is more important.
Yeah, very true insight, Kant. Because of the data being ingested in each of the companies now, the requirement is getting huge and widened up, and that's why these niche technical specializations are being offered by the education institutes as well, which is super nice to see. Earlier back then, it was very nascent stage where I was trying to figure out where to get the data first, and then trying to find out the right algorithms. But yes, now thanks to the community, everything is going super well.
Right.
So yeah, in terms of, I would say that there are three things which I have learned in terms of when I was starting back then. So one thing
Mm-hmm.
which I learned was that we have to be very curious and inquisitive about the data, what data is trying to tell us, because any solution
Okay.
starts with right questions, setting up the right objectives. So if you have set the right objectives and asking the questions repetitively from the data, using keeping that objective in mind, that's the first key thing which we would like to take. Even if the project starts with very small exploration, or it goes to the machine learning models as well, so we need to have the grasp of data as much as we can, so that we can build the best models and provide the best solutions. So that's the first thing. And second thing which I've learned is the keeping the mix of mathematics, statistics, coding, and business throughout our projects. We don't have to give weightage to any of these skills more, because there is something where I failed in my first of the projects. I failed in my project first because I was concentrating on Python the most, because I was new to coding, and I was like, yes, I need to learn this first, and then I need to get into the data science first. But yes, a solution can be developed with a very small statistic solution as well, which just requires mean median mode also sometimes, or a right study of distribution. So yeah, you never know when you need those kind of skill sets. So keep a blend, keep learning, and but yes, always spend good time in all these four areas: math, statistics, coding, and business. So that would help you throughout. So that's the second thing which I've learned. And third thing is keep innovating, because solutions which are built, let's say if you're trying to chase an accuracy of 90 percentage, for an example, you're right now reaching at 80 percentage, and in any model, the accuracy measure is something which is common across all the models. That's why I'm taking this example. So now
Okay.
90 percentage of is your benchmark. So innovation will bring us, because business is gonna go better every day. They will try to survive, strive for more. They will be hunger for more
Right, right.
in terms of the solutions. So we have to innovate new solutions. The old solutions will not help. So keep that mindset as well. So yeah, that's the three things which I would like to say: be inquisitive, be widened up with maths, business,
Mhm.
coding, and statistics. Then the third thing is keep innovating. So yeah, that's the three things I would like to take it there.
And Shubham, I just want to ask you one question attached to this. For example, the very simple question means I thought of it. For example, now you want to hire someone under you, like let's take a fresher. What exactly you expect from him?
Mhm. Yeah, I think one good thing is the guess estimation is something which I try to see. If
Mhm.
somebody is trying to estimate a particular business problem end to end, no matter how the solution is ready or not, but the mindset of analyzing a particular solution from scratch A to a problem end Z. So if I have to take an example, let's say if we need to predict how many footfall is going to happen for the day in IKEA store, right? So person has to
Okay.
think from the start that yes, I'm going to step into a store. What are my activities going to be? How much time I'm going to spend there? When I'm going to travel? So all these hypotheses has to come in from the start itself. And in the end, and the business stakeholder is going to consume that yes, on a footfall, do I want to see it on a daily basis? Do I want to see it on a weekly basis? How are my operations planned? So suppose if a particular operations housekeeping staff need to know every day, or let's say if the merchandising staff has to know that yes, these many people are going to come, we need to vacate some space or something like that. So it has to be planned on a weekly basis. So there are different stages. So if a particular person is able to see through the process from start A to Z, that's the key. I mean, I'm going to be impressed with that particular person. So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's it from me.
That's great, Shubham. Means like you're more impressed or you're more looking for a guy who can build an approach than who can actually do some coding or some statistical stuff. You want someone who can make it as an approach, right?
Yes, yes. Because
Yes.
being analytical savvy, I think those things will definitely come up. I mean,
Right,
these things,
right,
if a person can think through this, the later stages are more like a sub goal, but the higher objective is that for me.
right, right, right. Great, Shubham.